Welcome to Vision English Academy.
Hey, Pooja. Long time no see. How are you?
Hi, Anurag. I am good. What about you?
I'm awesome. But I forgot my wallet at home.
Oh, so I have to pay for the coffee?
Yes. You are my best friend, right?
Haha, okay. But next time you will pay.
Of course. I will forget my wallet again.
By the way, I am learning English these days.
Oh, nice. Say something in English.
The sky is blue.
Wow, Shakespeare would be proud of you.
Haha, come on, help me improve.
Sure. Let's talk only in English from now.
Good idea. But if I make mistakes?
No problem. Mistakes are proof that you are trying.
Sounds good. Let's continue.
What do you want to become in the future?
I want to be an English tutor.
Great. Then I will be your first student.
Haha, you need it. Your English is very danger.
What? It's very dangerous, not very danger.
See, you also need to improve.
Okay, fine. But what if I become a YouTuber instead?
Oh, what kind of videos will you make?
Maybe food vlogs. I love eating.
Haha, then your YouTube name should be Eating with Anurag.
Wow, that sounds perfect.
I think this English conversation is helping me.
Yes, we should practice daily.
Sure, but you will buy the coffee every time.
Wait, what? That's not fair.
Haha. Then learn English faster.
Okay, let's switch to Hindi. That's easier.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content.